Welcome to Voltamin. This entire charging visualization was created with Python using real CCS Combo2 log data. Every message exchange and parameter adjustment comes from actual communication between an electric vehicle and its fast charger. We're focusing on the critical phases, the first 20 seconds of connection and final shutdown moments. This reveals the digital protocol ballet, enabling modern DC fast charging. Watch the connection initiate. The control pilot transitions from state A to B1. The charger, announcing readiness. System status changes from unoccupied to unmatched. The first digital acknowledgement. Now, SLAC protocol begins. Signal level attenuation characterization. Vehicle and charger exchange. Cryptographic keys while measuring signal quality. Average attenuation, 20, indicates excellent communication paths. Security icons show NMK and NID key exchange establishing encryption. Status transitions to matched, a secure digital handshake. We progress to vehicle-to-grid negotiation. Systems advance through protocol states. Idle to connected, not started, then wait for budget, and wait until safe. Each state represents a cleared operational checkpoint. The vehicle presents its unique MAC address. Critical safety validation occurs. The isolation monitoring device performs self-tests. Resistance improves from 25 ohms to 144 ohms, confirming excellent insulation safety. Control pilot advances to state C2, verifying pre-charge conditions. Energy transfer commences. Voltage climbs to 448 volts. Current rises to 468 amps. Power delivery exceeds 210,000 watts. The system stabilizes in constant voltage mode. 448 volts, steady with current, gently oscillating 467 to 468 amps. Temperature management maintains 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. Efficiency stays above 98%. Charging completes with controlled shutdown. Voltage and current ramp down from 448 volts and 468 amps to 0 volts and 0 amps. Contactors open, converters disable. Session complete, confirms termination. You've witnessed the engineering complexity behind plug-and-charge technology, from detection through secure exchange, safety validation, and precise power delivery. This exemplifies Voltamin's mission. Python-powered animations revealing hidden engineering systems. If this behind-the-scenes look intrigued you, subscribe for more electrified technology insights. We're creating more visualizations to demystify engineering concepts. Questions or suggestions? Share them in comments. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and stay charged with Voltamin.